support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
Well, this is our OxiBox. OxiBox is used to disinfect items that are soft, like shoes, backpacks, soft toys. So a lot of people have disinfection methods for hard surfaces, spray cleaners, UV light. This is actually able to disinfect and deodorize things that are soft. And we've had lab studies done that show that we can kill live COVID covered with saliva and dirt. And we can penetrate it in over 99.8% effectiveness. One of the cool things about it is you don't need any external chemicals, so it's totally chemical free. We generate a gas in the box and we destroy the gas.
Okay. It's gas?
Yeah, we use ozone gas. It's
ozone,
a type ozone gas. It's been tested on man-made materials like rayon, nylon, multi-layer, cotton, which is plant-based, and animal-based like wool. And we have score rates that are available on our website if anybody wants to look from Biosciences Laboratories.
Okay. And what else we got?
Well, this is kind of an interesting concept.
Are we done with this now?
Yeah, I can fill this up.
All right, let me put this up here so our audience can see it.
So we're all familiar with Sonicare toothbrushes. It's a great product. You go ahead
I have a Sonic toothbrush. Actually, the battery died this morning.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
So this is an adapter that turns your mop into a Sonicare toothbrush for the floor. So in essence, this goes between the mop base and the mop pad. In this case,
okay, we actually have a mop here.
I can show you a Swiffer version.
Okay, we're going to have to put this here. Let me hold this, and I'm going to turn it this way.
So this is between a normal Swiffer mop and the Swiffer pad. We put our adapter in, and it puts out that same ultrasonic or sonic frequency.
But there's no gas with this. This is ultrasonic, so this is vibration.
Yeah, the other device we talked about, OxiBox, uses gas. This does not. So this helps break the surface tension in dirt. So very often when you have a floor and using a cleaner or a mop, you have to break that surface tension to pick up the dirt. This actually helps break up the surface tension and also lets the pad pick up more of the dirty water.
Isn't that interesting? So basically, is it sonic waves? Is that?
It's a sonic technology, yes.
Okay, so it's actually vibrating the surface of whatever it is you're trying to clean. Shake it up, and then you'll be able to pick up more and mop up more. So would I probably physically be able to see a difference between with this and without this?
Yeah, and the biggest thing about it is, of course, it depends what chemical you use and which mop and
yeah,
which pad and how you use it. But overall, the best way to describe it, just like the Sonicare, it loosens everything, so it's allowed to be picked up easier.
It's a clever idea. So you would have a Swiffer mop, and then you would just have to purchase this adapter, if you will.
Correct.
And this works on 3 batteries, 3 AA cells, and that's it.
And we also have a larger version.
Oh wait, we got a big one here.
This also works on commercial applications. This one has rechargeable batteries in it.
Okay.
We're showing this on a standard Rubbermaid mop with a standard Rubbermaid pad. You put the standard pad, in this case it's a washable pad, Swiffer's a disposal, goes on our unit, press this with your foot, and off you go. And we somehow, it's like putting a little tiny jackhammer on the floor, breaking up all the oil in the dirt.
Wow. Don't let my wife see this. Oh my God. Well, that's pretty ingenious stuff. That's a very clever idea. It's very simple. So the concept is simple, but it's not that simple, but it's a neat thing. And the other thing is it's easy to adapt. Like I don't got to buy a whole new mop and a whole new kit. I just buy the adapter and put it on.
That's exactly what our thinking is. And we also, our company is all about innovation in cleaning and disinfection. So you'll see a lot of products from us that are twists to help make people's lives cleaner and easier to use.
So this would be cleaner, but not necessarily bacterial cleaner. Maybe it would because I'm cleaning up more.
And you can go through things more. More surface dirt to clean bacteria, viruses, and other things.
And how long is that going to last?
That lasts a little over a month.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and this one has rechargeable batteries.
Right, so you just plug it in and juice it up.
You just charge it over and over again.
Fascinating, fascinating. And how long has your company been in business?
We've been in business 4 years. We actually started right before the pandemic. We built some robots that did UV disinfection. But that's good for hard surfaces like tabletops, floors, chairs. And we started saying, what about all the stuff in the world that's soft? pillows are soft, backpacks are soft, shoes are soft. And we started developing technologies and testing them can use disinfect soft goods. And that's how we really went into this space of saying so much of our life has soft goods, so you can't use sprays, you can't use UV light. And that's how we started up.
That's fascinating. Again, a simple concept, a simple idea, but you've perfected it, you've worked on it. Best things are simple like that. You know?
Thank you.
Now, question for you. What's going to clean better? Something that would be exposed to UV or something that would be sonic? Sonic waves, like the floor, for example. Would I be better off getting it cleaner with the UV light on it in a mop or with the sonic?
Well, UV light will tend to kill viruses and bacteria. This actually helps remove the surface dirt.
So two different things here.
Yeah, so this is, if you use the traditional mop, it depends how hard you press, what chemicals you use.
Million variables.
So this is much like the Sonic Care toothbrush. It helps dislodge everything to come out.
Okay.
So you could spray a disinfectant on the floor that may kill the surface stuff but won't get underneath. What this does is it actually penetrates that surface area where we have tension with oil.
Now, here's a crazy question for you. What about CPAP machines, the hoses and the things that go in your nose? And
know it well.
Me too.
Yeah. There's different machines out there today that use different gases and UV
Well, they
light.
say that they had one, I forget what it's called, that was ozone based, and they said don't use it, it's going to avoid the warranty, blah, 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 blah. So I don't know what. Help me out here. What's the deal with that?
Ozone's an oxidizer. It's just like any type of other oxidizer. So it has to be used very, very on things. Some things don't survive oxidation well. So the foam that they use in the CPAP machine, that type of foam doesn't. But there's lots of other ones that do. It's just the one that they chose. So, for instance, we run a very low ppm, which is parts per million level of ozone in our box. So we don't run the risk when we're using the OxiBox of destroying foam or other things. But if you use high concentrations for a long period of time, it can affect certain types of materials. So we monitor the level of ozone we're generating, and we make sure when the box, before it can be opened because it locks itself, that the ozone level in the box is the same as the ozone level in the room.
So would I use OxiBox to clean those hoses and things?
You could use the OxiBox, but you need something to blow it through that hose. So it's not really designed for
So are you going to come up with the product that I can use for that now?
I need one myself. Of course I will. I'm a fellow CPAP user.
Isn't everybody?
I know.
They're a pain in the neck. Boy, I really don't like it, but as you know, we have to use them.
It works.
But cleaning them, I would have thought by now there'd be something that would be safe, economical to use, and functional. There really isn't.
I personally use plain old soap and water.
Yeah, that's what I do. That's what I do.
It just because it has to do with really the inside of the machine. There are certain materials you just don't know. But if you were to put a pair of shoes or backpack in our box or a soft toy, that's all fine. But medical grade equipment we won't use.
All right. What's the cost of this adapter?
That's $24.95
That's
retail.
very reasonable. And where can I buy this?
We're going to be on television soon with it, and also we'll be in retailers.
Wait. You're not going to do like Billy Mays. Hey, this is amazing. Are you?
Well,
but wait, there's more.
There's more.
Are you going to do that?
Not Billy Mays, but a little bit like that.
Huh?
A little bit. I've had items on TV before that we've put together. This will be more on a shopping channel than an infomercial.
Like QVC or something?
HSN, yeah.
I'm telling you, if I go home and see this at night, hey, get this amazing, 4 payments of $399.95, but wait, there's more if you're not.
A free ice crusher.
I'm going to call you.
Okay, you got it.
QVC's okay. I don't mind that.
All right, terrific.
Fabulous. I can't buy this on Amazon?
You will be able to.
Now you're talking.
And the large item, the larger mop, will be selling through commercial distributors that do
that makes
commercial
sense.
cleaning, like for.
And what about
hotels.
the box?
The box will be launching first quarter this year.
I like the box. That's a great, especially with shoes. Oh my God.
Yeah, and actually sports equipment. Anybody who does like jiu-jitsu, their clothes stink.
Yeah, I gave jiu-jitsu up a long time ago.
Me too.
Yeah. Don't do any jiu-jitsu.
But one of the things we found with the OxiBox is it's the original point was disinfection, live viruses. Then we went on to, wait a minute, deodorization works great. And if you have some hockey gear, you throw it in there, it's also great too. But we have a lot of things we come in contact with, and if you think what your shoes walk through every day, it's disgusting. Yeah. Kids' backpacks go on the bathroom floors.
Yeah. We don't want to go. This is a family show. So. All right, well, thank you so much for coming on. I really enjoyed that. It's fascinating. When you came up with the mops, I'm like, what? What are we going to do here? But, you know, it makes a lot of sense.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank
next
you
year
so
we'll do
much.
telephones and toilets. So we'll go with the
That's fine, but next year I want to see a CPAP thing.
I promise you, for you, we'll do it.
That's a huge, huge industry.
I agree.
All
And
right.
as a fellow CPAP user, I'll do it for us.
Okay, now you're talking. I'm telling you, if I see this on late night TV, you can get a call from me.
Okay, you got it. Thanks
Thank you so much. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Bye-bye.
The Tech Podcast Network CES 2024 coverage is executive produced by Michelle Mendez. Technical directors are Kurt Corliss and Adam Barker. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Clinton Millsap, Sergio Velasquez, and Terry Willingham. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, Todd Cochran, Scott Ertz, and Christopher Jordan. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. This has been a Tech Podcast Network broadcast, copyright 2024.